गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आई होप कि आप अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी बहुत ही डेडिकेशन से कर रहे होंगे और टाइम टू टाइम आपसे बात करने का मौका मिलता है आप सभी भाई बहनों से, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। क्योंकि जब कभी अपनी स्टेज से उठ के जब दूसरों के लिए अगर कुछ हम थोड़ा सा भी कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाते हैं, तो एक वो बहुत खुशी का पल होता है। तो मैं पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आपको जो भी गाइडेंस मैं दे पाऊँ अपने अनुभव से, वो आपके साथ मैं साझा करता रहता हूँ। सो आज हम डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं, सॉरी, न्यूज़पेपर में से। और न्यूज़पेपर का बहुत ही अच्छा पैसेज है, क्योंकि हम कोई भी एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो, चाहे वो लीगल वर्ड्स हो चाहे कोई भी हो, लेकिन जनरल वर्ड्स को हमें कभी भी अपने आप से अनटच नहीं करना है। और कभी कोई हमारा जनरल एग्जाम हो, तब भी हमें, अगर हमें मौका मिले तो हमें लीगल वर्ड से फेमिलियर रहना है। तो तैयारी दोनों की अच्छे से आप करते रहिए। सो पैसेज लंबा हो सकता है और स्पीड आईडीए से बोलने वाला हूं मैं, 100-110 के आसपास रहेगी। और पैसेज थोड़ा सा लंबा हो सकता है, क्योंकि जो पैसेज है कोशिश करूंगा अगर बहुत ज्यादा लंबा हुआ तो मैं बीच में इसको रोक दूंगा। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। India's price support policy has played a crucial role in helping the nation achieve self sufficiency and food security by enhancing food grain production stock. While the minimum support price regime has been operational for decades, the demand for its legal guarantee has brought it into focus in recent policy debates. Stop. The panel on MSP and natural farming set up by the government in July 2022 has been holding discussions on strengthening the price support mechanism and promoting natural farming. Stop. It is essential to understand the background and implications of the price support policy and thereby suggest short term and long term policy measures for rationalization of its implementation across crops and to ensure remunerative prices for the farmers. Para. Globally, providing price support and other incentives is common to protect the income and livelihoods of farmer producers, especially the smallholders, against the distress and revenue loss arising from price fluctuations and market volatility. Stop. India's price support policy was introduced in the late 1960s with the focus on promoting the adoption of green revolution technology for enhancing food grain production, primarily of rice and wheat. Stop. Subsequently, the announcement of MSP at the beginning of the crop season was extended to other major crops, though not necessarily accompanied by procurement. Para. At present, the government announces MSP for 22 crops and a fair and remunerative price for sugarcane, based on the recommendations of the Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. Stop. While the Food Corporation of India oversees the procurement of cereals, mainly rice and wheat, NAFED procures pulses, oilseeds and other commodities under the price stabilization scheme as well as the price stabilization fund. Stop. Sugarcane is directly procured by sugar mills, while cotton is procured by the Cotton Corporation of India. Para. Despite the announcement of MSP for 23 crops, procurement operations have been largely confined to rice and wheat, with limited coverage of farmers across the country. Stop. Procurement of other cereals, pulses, and oil seeds has improved in the past few years, but it is still very low. Stop. Procurement of rice and wheat accounted for about 45% and 35% of their total production on an average during the triennium ending 2021-22, while that of pulses and oilseeds accounted for about 7% and 3% respectively during the same period. Para. As a result of the skewed distribution of assured procurement for a few crops, rice, wheat, sugarcane, and cotton, the intended implications of price support are not uniform across all crops and areas, leading to extensive changes in the cropping pattern. Stop. There is a significant shift in the cropping pattern from the cereal pulse system to the cereal or cereal cotton system, particularly in irrigated areas. Stop. The area irrigated for sugarcane, wheat, and rice stood at 96%, 95%, and 65% respectively, while that of pulses was only about 23%, according to estimates of the Department of Economics and Statistics, Ministry of Agriculture. Stop. Among pulses, the irrigated area of chana increased significantly to 45 to 50% in the last decade or so, but that of red gram remained extremely low at 5 to 7%. Stop. चलिए अभी पैसेज अभी भी बचा हुआ है, पैसेज काफी लंबा है तो मैंने टाइम देख के इसको रोक दिया है। सो आप लिख सकते हैं इसको 6 मिनट का, लगभग 6 साढ़े 6 मिनट का पैसेज रहेगा और कोमा भी है इसमें, फुल स्टॉप भी है और ये पैसेज जनरल भी और कोर्ट की जो भी आप डिक्टेशन करें सभी के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा। सो मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।